So unmuting, you hear me talking about that all the time, right? What does that even mean to unmute? So as a speech therapist, as a communication specialist, unmuting is actually finding a way to communicate. And you could be nonverbal. You could be in a place where you don't have the ability to speak anymore, but you can still communicate. And that's often connected to the throat chakra. Sometimes people who feel like they can't speak, who feel blocked in communication, often say that they experience a tightness around the throat chakra. This is the throat chakra bowl. So close your eyes and let's open that center up. Now, I felt something open up here. What did you feel?